If you're looking to customize SuiteDash forms to better suit your client's specific needs, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through exactly how to make SuiteDash work for you, saving time and improving client experience. First off, let's talk about the basics of form customization. SuiteDash offers a lot of flexibility here, allowing you to build forms that collect exactly what you need, from simple contact forms to complex questionnaires. What's great about SuiteDash is its intuitive drag-and-drop interface. It lets you add fields, rearrange them, and customize labels without needing to touch a single line of code. This makes it perfect for businesses that need efficient form building without the hassle of programming. Next thing, conditional logic. This is one of the standout features when customizing forms. With conditional logic, you can create forms that adapt based on user input. For example, if a client selects a certain option, the form will show or hide specific fields accordingly. This is a huge time saver and makes forms more personalized. It's perfect for tailoring forms to different client needs, like gathering information for different types of services or products. The third thing you need to know is about custom CSS. While SuiteDash's default options are robust, sometimes you might need something extra. If you're familiar with CSS, you can easily apply custom styles to your forms. This is a great way to make sure the form aligns with your brand's aesthetic, whether it's tweaking button colors or adjusting font sizes. Next up is automating follow-ups with forms. One of the best features of SuiteDash forms is the ability to set up automatic responses. Whether you want a simple confirmation email or a detailed follow-up message based on what your client selects, SuiteDash makes it easy. Automating your responses ensures that clients feel taken care of, while also saving you the effort of manually responding to every form submission. The fifth thing to consider is integrating your forms with other tools. SuiteDash doesn't work in isolation. If you're using tools like Google Sheets, MailChimp, or even payment gateways, SuiteDash integrates seamlessly with these. This allows you to streamline the data flow from your forms into your other business systems, keeping everything in sync. Now, what about reporting? With SuiteDash, form submissions don't just sit in your inbox. You can generate reports based on the data collected, giving you valuable insights into client needs and trends. This makes it easier to track leads, monitor conversion rates, and identify areas where you can improve client interactions. So far, SuiteDash has some great features for form customization, but here's the catch. While it's an impressive tool, it might not be for everyone, especially if your goal is deeper client customization. If you're looking for something that offers even more flexibility and better alternatives for specific client workflows, there are some great alternatives you should know about. We found platforms that excel at form customization and client management, offering a more seamless experience if your business needs to scale. These alternatives come with extended free trials, making it easier to test them out without commitment. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Ultimately, SuiteDash is a solid choice, but if you need a little more from your form customization, it's worth checking out these alternatives. They offer advanced features and additional client-focused tools to help you meet your specific needs. Try them out through the links below and start creating forms that truly work for your business.